How we doing, kids? So today I didn't have any work because all this white oppression is keeping me from going to work. We've had a few accidents at work, and judging by those clouds, can you see the drone? Hi, drone. See if I can pinch the drone. Yeah, we got some snow yesterday, the day before, and we're out here having fun. Gonna try out the gun range in the snow, and I want to get some ultra super slow-mo action, so that's what we're gonna do. Catch up to you kids in a moment. So from this camera angle, I'm gonna do some slow-mo because I always wanted to see just how well I'm holding my pistol. It's a Glock 43X, and I've put a few goodies on it. It's got some gold parts because I've always liked the color combination of black and gold. It's also got a pyramid trigger kit in it, so the pull is only maybe 2.5 pounds. And this is my everyday carry. I had to make sure that every part that I put on it, because you're not supposed to mess with perfection, and Glock has always been about perfection. So I was very careful with the upgrades on this gun, and so far it's been absolutely perfect. No issues at all. There's nothing else I want to do to it other than continue shooting with it. As far as practice, it's had 500 rounds through it, I believe. And today I've got enough to mess around for the day. We're out here at the red box, and we had 8 inches of snow yesterday, and this is nothing for that thing. But it's messed up my targets. I have spinning metal targets that I leave out here all the time. That way, if we get off of work or something, just go out to the backyard and shoot. It helps with road rage. But we're gonna start. I want to take some slow-mo, see how that comes out, and then see if I can hit some targets. My gun just has the Trijicon night sights on it. There's no fancy lasers or optics or anything like that. So let's give it a shot, like literally. All right, so let's try to hit some targets. We're standing at about 20 yards. And unfortunately, thanks to YouTube guidelines, I can't see, I can't show you how to load a magazine or rack the slide. So you just have to take my word for it. Let's see if I got any skills. I got a little bit. This ammo that I'm using is kind of crap. I think it's Remington. Not a fan. I keep getting weird double feeds and not happy. So we'll clear it. I suppose I should show you how to clear a weapon, but I'm busy right now. So this is not an educational film. Over here. Oh, what a miss. Get that one. There we go. And we're out. Only 10 rounds in these magazines. It's finally starting to warm up out here. And that target right there is at the end of a 100-yard stretch. And over there I'm going to put like a shooting platform so I can lay down with my rifle and sight it in. My Creedmoor rifle is a little too loud to use here in the neighborhood. So I won't be using it for a shooting range per se, other than the 22, which actually that 22 is good for 100 yard. So let's back away from that a little bit and make some more noises. Shall we make some noises? Let's make accurate noises. Kids ready for me to miss? Jeez. Damn. Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Ridiculously embarrassing. Okay, that I didn't hit. I hit once. Oh, do I have any more? Okay, I got one more magazine. That was awful. I'm quite embarrassed. Thanks to the magic of editing, I could fix that. I wouldn't do that to you kids. Okay, holding the gun level and missing and missing. There. Got it. Enough times. It's embarrassing. I shouldn't do those things on video. You know, just fix it in the video editing. So that was a little bit of fun on my gun range. Hopefully the slow motion stuff came out pretty good. I've never tried the slow-mo function on my GoPro before, and did use the drone for a little bit. And I'll set up some cameras for the drive, the long, torturous drive home. Very far distance that way. All right, kids, so today, got you in the back seat. We are going to use my backyard gun range. And right now I'm just kind of doing a patrol of the property. We got some coyote tracks here in front of me. And kind of just want to see where they're wandering. The coolest thing about right after a snowstorm like this is you get to see all the tracks of everything that lives in your backyard. We got about 15 acres here, and there's all sorts of critters. I've got a pretty good sight scope. Sometimes I just set it up and look at all the weird stuff crawling around the yard. A lot of mice and you know, bunny rabbits and stuff like that. And then in the they dug under the fence right there. I'll stop and show you kids. I'll show you where the coyotes got in. So yeah, see how I was talking about all the tracks in the yard? That's coyote tracks underneath the red box there. But as I was driving by, we saw where they dug under the fence. Pretty crafty creatures, wouldn't you think? And that's all they needed to get under the fence. Right there. And they went off yonder that way. That one looks like he was running. You can see the spacing of the tracks, you know, just poof, doof, doof. He was hauling some butt. And there's some other tracks going off over there. So let's see where it takes us. So we saw back there where they got under the fence. And looks like they jumped the fence right here. That's our back gate. The snow's starting to melt. Some parts of the yard got over a foot of snow because of the snow drifts and stuff like that. And right here is usually where they get through. I think they just jumped the fence. That's rabbit tracks right there. Let's give you kids a better camera angle. How about we do that? I love coming out here when it's absolutely fresh powder like this. I do have a second trail that I cut kind of across the property. Right through here is an old drainage ditch, but it was decommissioned like 50 years ago. The area that we live is used to be the California Trail. Practically ran through our front yard here. And I've never seen any artifacts or anything like that on the property. But I'm sure there's got to be something out here. So yeah, there's a little tour of the property there. And I want to thank you kids for watching, and I'll catch you later.